Hello, welcome back to my tutorial. Today I want to show you how to using a layering object, like the others application, Photoshop, Illustrator, or CorelDRAW, or any graphics program. The layer functions in the PowerPoint. In the PowerPoint, you can see the panel like a layer. You can click the home and choose arrange, and you can see selection pane. Selection pane is this makes it easier to select object, change their others, or change their visibility. That's like a layer. Just we click. Selection activate. If you insert an object to the PowerPoint, generally we will see the name of the object as the pictures with the numbers. This is different number. If you insert the objects, for example, there are three objects here. If you click the object here, this is active. The default name picture 4, picture 6, and picture 8. If I want to add another image, insert pictures, this device. Let's say I want to check this image, clock. You can insert it. Randomly PowerPoint set the name of the objects here. For example, this clock will name picture 11. I will delete. You can change the name in the object on the selection pane. Just click the object, and you see that you can click and double click. I will change the name from the picture 4 to the lock, and you can click here, double click here, change to chat, and the last one will be changed as target. So this name is very useful when you're using the animation, like animations in animation pane. If you give any object here to add animation here, so automatically the object name, like in the selection pane name, lock here. And others, let's say I was using emphasis Twitter. Chat. And the last one, for example, I want to choose wipe. That's it. So the name will same like a selection. And the other functions is you can rearrange positions of the layer object. For example, if you see this object, arrange, for example, this log, want to bring it to front, you can right click here and bring to front. To front, but you can see two in the selection pane. So you can arrange from here, send to back, between, and bring to front, so easily like this. And another function is that you can visible the object. If you want to, let's say, visible this one, you can click here to hide and to show again here, hide and show. If you want to hide all, you can click hide all, and you can show all or show whatever object that you want to show. So this is very useful if you use the complex slide animation object, like interactions or complex animations. So that's it, the simple knowledge from the PowerPoint, layering with the selection panes. See you for the next tutorial, and thank you.
you.